Hey guys, I am Syed Jeb Farooq and yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review CuraPod, which is a laser therapy device. It's a portable device which you can use for your pain management, to get relief from your pain. To be honest, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm 26 years old. I drive car a lot in Bangalore traffic, and I also sit for longer hours and work on my PCs. If you see, I have a lot of things happening here. I work on a lot of stuff. So yeah, I changed my tables to a height adjustable tables. So that was the initial thing which I tried, just to get some relief from my back pain and neck pain, because I really drive a lot, right? So a friend of mine actually suggested me to try this thing, and yeah, this is why I have got this. Let's unbox this. So this is going to be an unboxing video. I did some research on it already. So just come closer. Let's unbox this now. Okay, I don't have that fancy knife which people use to unbox gadgets. If you do show me some love to my channel, definitely I'll afford a nice knife. Okay, so I'm going to do some ASMR as well, which people tend to do, I think. Oh, oops, I'm really bad at it, guys, honestly. So here it is. We have a very nice kind of envelope kind of a thing, where they have their branding, CuraPod, pain management revolutionized. So yeah, these are adhesive patches. So I actually went through their website as well. So I could see these are adhesive patches which you can basically use to stick this device onto your surface of your skin, right? And you also get some belt, I think. So here is the device itself. If you could see, let me just give you a closer look. These are the two portable devices which you get, and this has a touch sensitive button. If you could see, here is a laser technology which already started working. Oh, I already lost my pain here. I'm just kidding, guys. So here you have a touch sensitive button, and you can actually remove this device, and I think you can apply this adhesive patch onto this surface, and you can just stick it on your hand, or yeah, so that you can do on the surface of your skin basically. So here you get two devices which are placed quite well, quite neatly. And if you could just remove this, oh, it's all given with manual. You have a card which is basically a limited warranty card, right? So let me just keep it here, and you have an instruction manual. I think you also get an application along with this leaflet, right? I mean, you can install application and you can start using it. So you have all the instructions here. I'll probably take you through the whole instruction part in the next video. Maybe I'll try to cover as much as possible in this video, but I think looking at the stuff which I've got in the box, I feel one video is not sufficient. I'm just kidding, guys. Again, honestly, I literally just had got this height adjustable tables. I used to adjust my posture. If you could see, even I have got my ergonomic chair, which has nice ergonomic as well. But to some extent these help. Obviously your lifestyle, your workout, everything will help you a lot, but I think this will help you to manage the pain as well. So let me also try this for I think 2 to 3 weeks, because I don't think in one day or 30 minutes you are going to see a lot of changes, but definitely in 30-minute session it is going to bring some relief for your pain. Let's go back to this thing. So you also have this how to use the dongle, it seems. So you also get a dongle with this. So the dongle is not for internet, by the way. Let me check what is inside this. Okay, so I have been given a nice thumb hole here, which I can use to remove this whole thing. So you have different straps, I feel here. So look at it, there are a lot of straps. I am not sure why these straps are given, there are a lot of straps actually. I think it's for different body parts. Let's say for knee, you might have different one. So if you go to this, you have an adapter as well. Wow, this is actually cool, guys. A lot of people, they don't give you adapter along with these kind of gadgets. They usually tend to give just a cable and without the adapter, and you definitely have to use your Samsung adapters. Even if you see, I'm with an iPad which I got for I think 1 lakh rupees, iPad Pro. I'm using a Samsung adapter because they did not give it in box. And the best thing is they have given 2 USBs, so that at the same time you can charge both the devices, right? Let me just open one of the straps. So these straps I could notice are of different sizes altogether, and I think they're for different, for arm you might have a different one, for a wrist you have a different one, for knee you have a different size of strap, maybe, I don't know, or maybe for a different. Oh, you also get these two cables here. So you have two cables along with the adapter, which is very nice. Let me just keep the cables aside. So yeah, or maybe these straps are for different sizes, maybe, I don't know. Let me just check. I'll just go through it. So let me just grab my device and install the application so that I can show you how it works. So here it is, guys. You could see I have installed it my Android device. You also get the same application for your iOS device as well, right? So you can just open this CuraPod application, and you could see you just have to sign in. Let me just give my number. So here is the instruction manual where you actually have all the instructions given, how to install the app, what app to install, what has to be done later. You can scan the QR code and stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, I got a OTP, basically a sign-in OTP. Let me just type the OTP in, and there we go. Login successful, and they have some I think terms of service and stuff. They have given some introduction, user eligibility and stuff like that. So these are disclaimers and terms and conditions from almost all the products you get, or maybe application. So they are collecting some basic information like your your name. What do we call you? You can call me Zap. Yeah, can call me Zap. The application looks very smooth. It works really fine, and I could utilize complete 120 hertz of my screen on this application, which is quite good. Let me just add my date of birth, which is February 23rd, 1999. You can just send lots and lots of love and gifts on that day if you really want to. Again, okay. They're asking some optional details. There are some optional details such as your height, your weight, and your yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. My height here. Okay, let me just give it, and also my weight, which is what do you think what my weight is? It's 65, guys. It's 65, just 65. I was 70 last couple of months back. I drastically lost my weight. I worked really hard on it, by the way. Okay, so tell us about yourself. To recommend, so basically they are collecting these details so that they can recommend you how to use the device, maybe. I'm not sure about it. So they're asking how is my activity level, like do I do some activity daily, or do I do a moderate activity? Am I good at physical activity every day? I'm doing workout or something, so I'll just prefer to choose moderate activity, right? So it's just asking me to pair the device. So I'll just click on start pairing the device. It's collecting the location information. It usually collects the location information so that they can detect the device. That is how the mobile functions, as I know, as I'm a techie as well. So it's trying to connect the device. So it's asking me to make sure to keep it under 10 meters of distance, of course, because it's going to connect itself by Bluetooth, using Bluetooth, I think. Yeah. The packaging overall was pretty fantastic. The way they have given instruction manual and all is pretty cool. And after some days of using, I'll definitely post another video of the results, right? So yeah, there we go. So I think the device is connected, which was pretty cool. I mean, I don't had to struggle a lot. Usually what happens is these devices, right, like any devices you take, right, which connects itself with Bluetooth. Like I have a smart washing machine, I have a smart AC as well. It takes a while to connect, and sometimes we have to struggle a lot to connect the devices. So basically it's connected now. I can turn off the device and turn it back on, if you see, right? So turning on the device takes the manual I think touch, because when you turn it off it doesn't recognize your touch, maybe, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't recognize it here, I think. So I can turn it off here, I can turn it back on. So if you could see, it's turned on. So turning off is from the mobile device, and turning on should be from the device itself, right? You cannot use mobile device to turn it on back, because it's already off, right? It won't be detecting any signal. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. And let me use it, guys. Let me just take out one of the straps so that I can show you how you can use it. There are different sizes of the straps, of course. And definitely after using for some days, I'll definitely post another video of this device for sure, right? And yeah, a friend of mine actually recommended saying that this actually works a lot of people with arthritis, what do you call it, tennis elbow, right? I think, yeah. So these people have got some relief using this device. So I'm expecting this will work on me as well. So here is the strap actually. So it's pretty simple. You just have to put it in like this. See, there's the strap here, and you put it in like this, I think, so that see, it's pretty simple. You can just tie it anywhere. I think this is for I don't know. I'll have to test a lot of things yet. And you can also add another device, which is this. Let me just pull the strap. Okay, there we go. I don't recommend doing that. So wherever you have pain, right? Let's say I have a shoulder or neck pain, I can actually do this. I don't know how to tie this. We have a Velcro here, though. You can just insert it here, and if you could see, you can pull it out like this, maybe. Oh, the Velcro is stuck. I'm really bad at these kind of, kitchen stuff. I don't know how to use it actually, so I'll definitely be a master very soon. But the straps are pretty cool, right? I could feel some heat. I just kept it here, right? I could just feel some heat, right? It's because of the laser light, I think. There is an emission of light, so obviously the device tends to heat a bit, I think. I'm not sure. Obviously, any device which emits light will tend to be a little warmer over time. So yeah, but it doesn't. You don't feel any pain or anything, or maybe there is no. So I have also used this machine called TENS machine, which uses TENS technology, which was suggested by one of my physiotherapists. Actually, my wife is a physiotherapist. So yeah, she suggested me to she asked me to use a TENS device, and I used it, which gives you a little, kind of a pinching kind of a feel on the applied spot. But this doesn't do as such because it's using complete light to do the job. I think that's pretty much it, guys. And about the build quality and all, let me just tell you, this comes with a really nice build quality. If you see, it's all hard plastic. It feels good, it feels premium. It doesn't feel like they have done a lot of cost cutting here. There is no cost cutting as such, I could see. Even the packaging, everything, the material used in the packaging is very nice. The way they have used the packaging is pretty cool. The way they have kept all the straps in one box, and yeah, they have not done any sort of cost cutting, I feel, because they have given, very nice quality cables as well. If you could see, the cables are of very good quality. I don't think this will be broken anytime sooner. It will last really longer, I feel. And also the good part about it is you also get an adapter. I think that it's costing somewhere around 8,000 rupees. You also get some discount, 15% of discount right now. So yeah, and also let me just open this quickly so that I can show you the adhesive stickers as well. So all you have to do is you can also use these individual devices to place it on your individual part of a body, the skin. So you just have to stick it over here onto this kind of adhesives, and you can stick it on your surface of your skin, and that should actually give you a much relief from the pain you're having. I'm pretty sure whoever is watching this video till the end is planning to buy this device, and they are looking forward to get some relief from their pain. I wish you all the best, and I hope this device give you some relief and you might have a better life, right? So yeah, all the best, and do subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and tech videos. So yeah, that's your Zap Farooq signing off for today. Let me know in the comments what you think about the device. And tell me your story as well, if it has helped you cure or whatever. I'll definitely come up with another video after some time, right? Just to tell you my opinion on the usage of the device, particularly on the battery and all. The company claims to have have 4 sessions in a single charge, which will be, each session will be of 30 minutes, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, and that is pretty cool, I think. All right, guys, have a good day ahead. Do subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram as well for more crazy videos. Do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Done. Chalo, bye bye.